The Quartet Glass Whiteboard G7248NMW offers a large writing area that works beautifully for team brainstorming, lesson planning, or detailed project mapping in modern offices and classrooms. Its tempered glass surface erases cleanly without staining or ghosting, so even after heavy daily use, the board still looks crisp and clear. The frameless design creates a floating effect on the wall, giving meeting rooms and home offices a polished, contemporary look instead of a bulky traditional board. Because the glass is thick and resistant to scratches and dents, the board holds up well in high-traffic spaces where it is constantly being written on and wiped down. Installation is straightforward with the pass-through mounting system, and the option to hang it vertically or horizontally makes it easy to fit different wall layouts. The included marker and removable accessory tray are practical touches that keep writing tools within reach and help the board stay tidy and ready for use.